stick it to your memory and dedicate my energy. Work your ass up, get rid of a backup. Nothing else bang harder as the funk does. Ain't nobody stopping me. We always get the plan A, never need the plan B. Stick it to your memory and dedicate my energy. Work your ass up, get rid of a backup. Nothing else bang harder as the funk does. Ain't nobody stopping me. Cause I'm on mission like the 007. Put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work. All I do is win, boy. Put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work. Pop that.
Boom! Truck. We be trucking. This is such a cool idea. I don't know. It doesn't have many plays this level because it doesn't look the best, but I like it. I like the simplism. I like that the whole concept of truck, because before the drop there's like a sound of the engine revving up, and I guess that's the whole point of, you know, she being replaced with a truck and the ball being replaced by a wheel. But I like it. It's fun. It's really well made. The gameplay is pretty fun for the most part. And even though the decoration is nothing special and honestly could be, you know, a little bit more polished and a little bit more full, the level feels a bit empty, I still think it looks good. I still think, you know, it kind of looks like 1.9, and I like it. I like the color combinations. I like it, dude. I just like it. It didn't took me that long. How much was this requested for? 10 stars? I don't know. It may be a little easy for 10 stars. I would give this like a 9 star, but I could see it getting a demon, obviously. It's a really cool level. It's a really cool level. Let me think about it, because sometimes it's really hard to decide what to rate it. And I don't really want to be subjective, but I kind of want to be because it's my choice. You know what, fuck it. Easy demon. That's my channel, I don't care. GG.